Hi guys, welcome to Inside Club. In this video, we are discussing the questions of MMPF 001 Working Capital Management. Before starting this, I want to share something. This PDF has a last date of 13th April 2025. For your information, we have solved all the answers of this PDF. If you are looking for these answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Now, the questions 1, 2, and 3 4 5, total 5 questions are given in this PDF. And amazingly that we have solved all the answers according to the chapter wise and according to the word limits. And if you need the answers, you can contact us anytime, anywhere, so we will contact you. So a number is given here, 900 936 8238. And thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you soon in the next video.